Hi children, how are you all? Good afternoon to everyone. Are you all okay? All are safe? Yes? First I want to greet you all. Happy Raksha Bandhan. Today is special day, no? Raksha Bandhan. Girls, did you all tie Rakis to your brothers? Yes? Enjoy? Okay. So let's start. Are you all ready? Just before I start, today what are the classes we are having? I will tell you, okay? Now first, I'm going to teach you English. I'm going to teach you English. Next you are having social class. Next, today you are going to learn another new subject, that is computer. Okay? So today you are having English, social and computer. Now I will give you 5 minutes time. Take the books and be ready, all of you. Okay? Children, another thing, I'm not going to start the English CW today. Tomorrow I will start for you. Now take the rough book, the previous notebook, English textbook, keep to one side for the next hour for social and computer textbook. You are all having the computer textbook? Yes? You are having or not? You are having the computer textbook. So, find out where are those books and keep to one side. Take your pencil, eraser, okay? And be ready. And within 5 minutes, I will start the grammar, what I taught you last Monday. Okay, children? Now, take your books and be ready, all of you. Term textbook 1, rough book and computer textbook. Okay, ma'am? English, social, computer you are having today the class. So be ready with this book. 5 minutes I will wait. Okay, ma'am? Complaint is okay. Yes, children? Are you ready? Now again, this I will explain you collective nouns. So many examples I showed you last Monday. Yes? Now, this I will explain. Collective nouns. What are collective nouns? A collective noun is the name of a collection or group of persons or things taken as a whole. Okay? Now, just I will write the definition. Now, don't copy when I will tell you afterwards. Then you can copy. Just I am explaining the definition of what are collective nouns. I mean a group of things. Either they are countable or uncountable. A group of things. If you collect together, for that one word we will use for that whole group. That word is called as a collective noun. As a collective noun. This I will write the definition. You listen carefully. collective noun is the name of a collection or group of persons or things taken as a whole. Children, repeat after me. Don't write. I will give time for you afterwards to copy. Just listen. Now repeat after me. Okay? A collective noun is the name of a collection or group of persons or things taken as a whole. For example, just to recall you, I am giving the example for you. A flight of birds. A flight of birds. A flight. Flight is a collective noun. That means a group of birds. A group of birds, we can call it as a flight of birds. A flight of birds. Another one again I will tell you. A bunch of grapes. A bunch of grapes. Here bunch means so many grapes together they are hanged to one stem. So many grapes will be there. Together we call it as a bunch of grapes. A bunch of grapes. Did you remember, children? Another one, a bottle of water or a glass of water. A packet of sweets. A packet of sweets. Next, a fleet of sheep. A fleet of sheep. That means in the shipyard, so many ships will be there. They stay there to either to unload the things or to load the things. So many ships will be there. That we call it as a fleet of ships. A fleet of ships. Now children, Once you recall, again I will show you the clipping. You can watch in that one. What are the names, the collective names that are given to the birds, animals, other things? After completely watching that, again you can copy this notes.
Good
Okay,
morning,
ma?
children.
Yeah, now
Today,
watch the
let us
clipping. In the
discuss
meantime,
what
I will
a group
explain
of
you again.
people,
Listen
things,
carefully.
animals, and birds are called in a single word. Look at the following examples. A flight of birds. A group of birds flying together is called a flight of birds.
See, group of
A
birds.
herd of cattle.
This is
A group
cattle.
of cattle
A
is
group
called
of
a herd of cattle.
cattle. Because a herd of cattle. This is so many
A
flowers we
bouquet
can
of
see
flowers.
there.
A bouquet is a collection of flowers.
A bouquet of flowers. See, children, they be silent. A
A
bouquet.
bunch of grapes. A collection of grapes is called a bunch of grapes. A gang of young people. A gang is a group of young people. A flock of sheep. A group of sheep is called a flock of sheep.
A fleet of ships
Let's
is
see here. So
a number
many
of ships.
ships are there. More number of ships are there. We call it as a fleet of ships. A fleet of ships. Here they are the soldiers.
An army
We call all together them as an army of soldiers. So all together all the soldiers are called as an army.
of soldiers. A group of soldiers is called an army of soldiers. A pack of wolves.
So many wolves are there. Wolf. You know all of you wolf. It's what is that wolf? It's a wild animal. Wolf. So many wolves. So many wolves means we won't call W-O-L-F here. W-O-L-V-E-S. Wolves. We call it as wolves. So many are there. All together we call it as a pack of wolves. A pack of wolves.
A group of wolves is called a pack of wolves.
Here the pack, that word is called as a
A
collective
collective
noun.
noun is the name of a collection or a group of persons or things taken as a whole.
Now watch some more examples.
You have seen some examples for collective nouns. Now it is story time.
Now children, listen to the story. In that one, so many collective nouns you can find out.
I meet Hari. They want to have a bath in a pond to cool down. As they reach near a grassy field, they hear a chop chop noise. It is a herd of buffaloes eating grass.
Now see here children, it is a herd of buffaloes eating grass. There the word H-E-R-D, herd. The buffaloes, so many buffaloes are there. So for all those buffaloes, the word is given there, herd. Herd itself, we can recall it as so many buffaloes are there. So their herd, that word is called as a collective noun.
Jojo loves and he looks up, sees birds flying in a V shape. It is a flock of geese.
Flock. Flock is a word given to the geese. So many geese. It's a collective noun. Flock. The word is called as collective noun.
As they go further, they find a litter of newborn puppies.
A litter.
There are
Litter
five
is
of
a
them.
word given for the puppies. A litter of puppies. Litter is a collective noun.
Oh, the sight they see. Balu almost steps on a colony.
Here, see. Oh, this side, this sea. Balu almost steps on a colony of ants. Colony is a word given for is a collective noun for ants.
Of ants. Raju points to the pond in the distance. There is a school of fish.
Yeah, there is a school of fish swimming in the pond. School, that word is a collective noun given for a fish. Don't think that is a school means what where you're all coming to learn, play, and do all those things. Here the school word is given for the group of fish. School is a collective noun.
Swimming in the pond. Raju, Balu and Jojo dive into the cool water. They tell Hari about all the things they saw on their journey. A herd of buffaloes, a flock of geese, a litter of puppies, a colony of ants, and a school of fish. Do you notice anything in common about the words herd, flock, litter, colony, and school? All these words refer to a group of things. They talk about lots of things taken as one. For example, a herd of buffaloes is a lot of buffaloes. A flock of birds, it is the same with the term litter of puppies and a colony of ants. These words are names of a group or a collection of things taken together, and they are called collective nouns. Let us look at some more collective nouns. A crowd of people, a pride of lion, a bunch of grapes, and a bouquet of flowers. Do you know what the collective nouns for a group of friends is? A party of friends, and that's what we are.
Now let us sing a rhyme on collective nouns.
Playing hide and
We have seen collective nouns in different ways. Now let us answer some questions.
Excuse me, Saturday no class. Classes are not conducted on Saturday. Don't worry about that one. Okay, ma? Now, children, take your book, pencil, and copy this definition of collective nouns. Write today's date. What is today's date, ma? 3/8/2020. Copy the date and write the definition of collective nouns. Today just copy the definition of collective nouns. Tomorrow I will give some sentences like. Okay, ma? Just only the definition you copy for today. Dear parents, I request you to take the screenshot of that one and make your children please to note down afterwards in the notebook. Children, in the meantime, how far you can copy? Copy it. Again, I am repeating the definition of collective nouns. Along with me, repeat and write neatly all of you by keeping the finger gap. A collective noun is a name of a collection or group of persons or things taken as a whole. Copy all of you. Write the heading on the red line, collective nouns. In the next line, start writing the definition. A collective noun is a name of collection or group of persons or things taken as a whole. Taken as a whole. Copy it neatly, ma. Keep proper finger gap touching the two lines. Copy it neatly. Yes, children, completed copying? No? You're still copying? Okay. Dear parents, please take the screenshot. Now copy it up to here. Tomorrow I will give the sentences, some collective nouns. Tomorrow I will give you. And one more information for you all. From Wednesday onwards, I am going to start the CW for you, English. Already last week I told you that I will start. But unfortunately the timetable has changed. Okay, ma? Again I am showing for you like this. The double rule notebooks you are having. 100 pages book. A small book you will have. Be ready with that book. Wednesday onwards, I am going to start. Don't worry, before those who didn't copy the first lesson question answers, again I will give the notes for you. But you must be ready like this notes. From Wednesday onwards, I am going to start the English question and answers for you in the notes. First lesson note, after completing that, the second lesson question answers I will give you. Okay, ma'am? Next, you are having the social class. In the meantime, before Miss starts the class, you please copy this definition, complete it, and be ready with the social textbook. You are having EVS. In that only you are having the social also. Don't get confused, all of you. Okay, ma'am? Okay, take care, ma'am. Bye. In the meantime, you complete copying the definition. Yes, ma, you want the homework? Huh? Now what I gave on the board, you copy it and learn the definition. Tomorrow I will ask. You have to tell the definition without seeing. That is only the homework I am giving for you today. Whatever we are giving for you, whatever we are telling to copy, but just learn all this. That's why I am asking you to repeat after me. Okay? That is only the homework. I don't want to give you more the homework. Okay, whatever we are giving, you learn. Okay, ma?